We played 4 days ago against Kaltene Putra. We know that Kaltene Putra is a difficult opponent to beat. They showed that not only 4 days ago, but they showed it also in away games against Bali and Madura. We also realized that Kaltene Putra didn't lose any game since they played in their own stadium, in exception of last game against Persimano. But everybody knows what happens in this game and that they lose because they play with one player less. So they are longer than 3 months. Nobody beat them in the home stadium. So we expect tomorrow also a very difficult game. Terima kasih.
Kami bermain tentu siap akan besok. Pertandingan penting untuk kami. Kerja keras, semoga kita bisa dapat hasil yang baik dan bisa bermain baik juga di pertandingan besok.
Zai.
Okay, goal. Different one big round.
Stay still. Stay still. Keeper. Hey, terus. Ya, di atasnya berapa? Ya, di sini. Keluar. Satu bola. Ya, from 5 feet. Oke, cukup. Ya. Goal! Go out. Ja, das geht.